Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make the perfect easy summer salad. The salad looks great, tastes delicious, and is perfect for the warmer weather when you crave more fresh vegetables. I'm using ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, avocado, cilantro. You can substitute parsley if you don't have cilantro, lemons or limes, and olive oil. Thinly slice the red onion. Put that in a big bowl. Peel the cucumber and cut into bite-sized pieces. If you're using hothouse or English cucumbers, you don't have to peel them. Cut the tomatoes in quarters. And into chunks. These are medium tomatoes. Cherry or grape tomatoes are fine, just cut them in half. Chop the cilantro or parsley into the bowl. To make the dressing, cut the lemon. Juice it right into a measuring cup. Pour in olive oil. Add salt, ground black pepper, and sugar. Taste the dressing and add more salt or sugar according to your taste. Also depends on how tart the lemons are. Cut the avocados last. Remove the pit with the heel of your knife and use a cloth to get the pit off. You can cube it right in the skin like this. And scoop the flesh into the bowl. Or peel off the skin. Put the avocado half on a cutting board and cut into chunks. These avocados are perfectly ripe and creamy. When you buy them at the store and they're not ripe, put them in a paper bag and leave on your kitchen counter for a few days. You can always refrigerate them if too many ripen at the same time. That happens to all of us. Whisk the dressing and pour all over the vegetables. Mix well. Taste and adjust the seasonings if you need to. The salad is great served right away or chilled for a few hours. It is best eaten the day of or the next day. If you're having a party, make this in the morning. To make ahead the day before, cut up all the ingredients except avocado and put in the serving bowl. The day of, cut the avocados and mix with the dressing. I can't stop eating it. It is just addictive and of course healthy. Try this salad and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.